to our respected Schools Division Superintendent, Hildo G. Mosqueda, CO6, and duly represented by Ma'am Mary Ann Umadhay, Education Program Supervisor, our dedicated school principal, Dr. Ramelin V. Osman, PhD, our hardworking teachers, proud parents and guardians, honored guests, and most especially, my fellow grade 12 graduates and grade 10 completers of class 2025-2026. A pleasant morning to everyone. It is with great honor and sincere joy that I stand before you today to welcome you to the San Emmanuel National High School graduation and moving up ceremony. Today marks a significant milestone, not only to us learners, but also for everyone who has been part of our journey. Your presence here makes this celebration even more meaningful, and we are truly grateful that you have joined us on this special occasion. This ceremony is a celebration of achievement, dedication, and perseverance. It is a day we all have been waiting for, a moment where we gather to recognize the hard work and determination of our students who have successfully reached another important stage in their academic lives. Today, we celebrate not only the completion of academic requirements, but also the growth, resilience, and strength that each learner has shown throughout the years. To our dear parents and guardians, welcome. Your unwavering support, sacrifices, and encouragement have played a vital role in shaping the success of our students. These days is yours too, because behind every graduate is a completer, is a family who believed and supported and never gave up. To respected teachers, welcome. Your dedication, patience, and passion have guided our students every step of the way. You have not only imparted knowledge, but have also inspired dreams, built confidence, and nurtured character. Today, we honor your important contribution to our lives. To our distinguished guests, welcome. Your presence adds inspiration and significance to this ceremony. Thank you for taking the time to celebrate this milestone with us and for sharing in the joy of this memorable day. And to my fellow grade 12 graduates and grade 10 completers, welcome. Today is our day. This ceremony is a recognition of your efforts, your success, and your commitment to your education. You have reached this point because you were determined and your perseverance. And we are proud to celebrate this achievement with you. As we begin this program, may we all take a moment to reflect on the journey that brought us here. Let this ceremony serve as a reminder of the value of hard work, the importance of education, and the power of dreams. May it also inspire everyone to continue striving for excellence and to support one another in every step of the journey ahead. Once again, welcome to San Emmanuel National High School graduation and moving up ceremony. May this event be filled with joy, pride, and inspiration as we celebrate the achievements of the class of 2025-2026. Thank you and welcome everyone.
Thank you for that heartfelt message, truly a reflection of the voice of this graduating class. To inspire us, at the beginning of this program, may we call on the Junior High School Assistant School Principal, Dr. Clarissa C. Satore, for the opening message. A round of applause, please.
Thank you, Sir Yomar. To our DepEd 12 Chief Administrative Officer, Sir Joseph Russell Farnazo, Sir. Our Schools Division Superintendent, Sir Hildo G. Mosqueda, CEO 6, duly represented by our dedicated supervisor, Ma'am Mary Ann Umadhay, ma'am. To our esteemed guest speaker, Police Staff Sergeant Al J. Valdez, sir. To our barangay captain, represented by our committee chair on education, Sir Federico Valenzuela, sir. Of course, to our SGC president, Ma'am Isabelita Duadua, our PTA president, Sir Alan Lopez. To our proactive school principal, Dr. Ramilin Usman, my fellow assistant principal for senior high school, Ma'am Elsa Lamanosa Abid, our supportive parents, stakeholders, and visitors, and our dedicated teachers. Good morning to everyone, most especially to our completers and graduates of 2026. Today is more than just a ceremony. It is the ultimate level up. Our theme, Filipino graduates prepared to lead with competence and character, isn't just a title. It's your brand as you step into the real world. To our junior high school completers and graduating class of 2026, you've survived the long tests, the deadlines, and the main character struggles of high school. We didn't just teach you how to pass. We helped you build your competence, your skills, and your character, your heart. Always remember that your competence or your galing will get into the room, but your character or pagkatao is what will make you stay and lead. To our PTA officers, SGC, BLGU, and private stakeholders, you are the community builders and low-key heroes of this school. Without your partnership, our students wouldn't have the environment they need to thrive. As the saying goes, ang bayaning nagkakaisa, ang pundasyon ng bansang dakila. A united community is the foundation of a great nation. Thank you for being the village that helped raise these children. Your investment in them is an investment in our future. To our dedicated teachers, the OG influencers of these students, you have been the guides, the mentors, and the second parents as we celebrate their growth. We remember na ang gurong nagpupunla ng dunong. Ngunit ang pagmamahal sa pagkatao ang nagpapalago sa tunay na pinuno. The teacher sows the seeds of wisdom, but the love for one's character is what grows a true leader. Thank you for your tireless hustle in making sure no student was left behind. To our dear parents, you are the silent MVPs of this journey. Your support is the foundation of their leadership. As they move to the next level, please remember, ang batang mahusay sa paaralan ay bunga ng magulang na nagpapakita ng tamang gabay sa tahanan. A child who excels in school is the fruit of a parent who models good character at home. Keep being their safe spaces and their moral compass. When you support their dreams, while anchoring them in values, you aren't just raising successful kids, you are raising the leaders our country needs. to the graduates and completers of 2026. Hindi man laging aesthetic ang journey, ang mahalaga ay consistent ang inyong pagpupursige. Dahil sa dulo, ang tunay na glow up ay hindi lang sa panlabas, kundi sa tibay ng loob at galing na ipinamalas. Don't just chase the hype, chase the grind with integrity. Life won't always be a vibe, but because you have the competence to work hard, and the character to stay kind, you are already ahead of the game. Once again, good morning and congratulations to everyone. Congratulations, Batch 2026. Keep slaying, but keep it real.
Thank you, ma'am, for reminding us that education is not just about knowledge, but about shaping lives. At this point, we shall hear inspiring messages from our esteemed education leaders. We recognize the message of the Secretary of Education, Juan Edgardo M. Angara, emphasizing resilience, character, and hope. Also, the message of our Regional Director, Alberto T. Escobarte, who is duly represented by Sir Joseph Russell M. Farnazo, Chief Administrative Officer, DepEd Regional Office. A round of applause, please.
Mabuhay, isang pinagpalang umaga po sa ating lahat. Sa ngalan ng ating butihing direktor, Attorney Alberto T. Escobarte, Seso 2, ikinagagalak ko pong ibahagi ang mensahe sa ating junior high school completers, ALS graduates, and senior high school graduates. My warmest and sincere congratulations to the completers and graduates of school year 2025-2026. Your journey stands as a compelling testament to resilience, discipline, and unwavering commitment to learning in the face of life's many challenges. As we celebrate your academic milestones, we also honor the values you have steadfastly cultivated: truthfulness, respect, and deep love for our country. As you embark upon the next chapter of your lives, remember that education is both a privilege and a profound responsibility. It is the mark of every Filipino graduate to lead with competence and character. Education equips you not only with knowledge, but also with the capacity to serve, to lead, and to uphold what is just and right. Together, we aspire to shape better Filipino individuals who are prepared to lead with both integrity and excellence. As future stewards of our nation, I urge you to embrace your role through purposeful and principled action. Uphold honesty and accountability in all that you do. Actively participate in your community and civic responsibilities. Respect and preserve our culture, heritage, and environment, and continuously seek knowledge and truth to guide your decisions. In so doing, you become vital contributors to a more just, progressive, and unified Philippines. To our dedicated teachers, I extend my deepest appreciation for your tireless efforts, steadfast passion, and enduring commitment to shaping both intellect and character. Your contributions are invaluable. And this achievement is in no small measure a reflection of your devotion. To the parents and guardians, my heartfelt gratitude for your unwavering support, sacrifices, and guidance. You have played an indispensable role in nurturing and shaping these young individuals into who they are today. I take pride in your accomplishments and remain confident in your capacity to lead with purpose, integrity, and compassion. May you carry forward a spirit of service and excellence as you pursue your aspirations, endeavor to effect meaningful change in society. Padayon, dear completers and graduates, may your future pursuits bring honor to your families, your communities, and our beloved country. Mabuhay ang mga batang Soksargen, mabuhay ang mga batang Takorongnon. Magandang umaga sa lahat.
Thank you, Sir Farnazo. Let us now hear a message from our school's division superintendent, Dr. Hildo G. Mosquera, CEO 6, duly represented by Ma'am Mary Ann Umadhay, Education Program Supervisor 1.
And now, the moment they have been waiting for.
The moment where years of effort, countless sacrifices, and unwavering hope finally come together.
May we call on our school principal, Dr. Ramilin V. Usman, for the presentation of candidates for graduation and completion. Ma'am.
Good morning. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Mayad-ayad nga aga sa tanan. Magandang umaga po. Sir, as the principal of the San Emmanuel National High School, I, Ramilin Villarde Osman, have the honor to present to you the candidates for completion for school year 2025-2026. From Special Program for Journalism, 17 boys and 28 girls, a total of 45. From regular program, we have 55 boys and 65 girls with a total of 120. In total, there are 72 boys and 93 girls, making an overall total of 165. For our senior high school candidates for graduation for school year 2025-2026, we have from Industrial Arts Strand under Automotive Servicing, there are 40 boys and walang girl, with a total of 40 as well. From the Industrial Arts Strand under Shielded Metal Arc Welding or SMAW, we have 19 boys and one and only girl, a total of 20. From the Homeroom Economics Strand under Tailoring, we have 2 boys and 14 girls, a total of 16. From the Information and Communication Technology strand animation, we have 19 boys and 30 girls, with a total of 49. From the Humanities and Social Sciences strand, we have 13 boys and 24 girls, with a total of 37. From our alternative learning system, HE Tailoring, 3 girls. Automotive Servicing, ALS, 6 boys and 1 girl. ICT Animation, 2 boys and 3 girls. SMAU, 6 boys. In total, there are 95 boys and 88 girls, making overall total of 183 candidates for graduation. After scrutiny of the requirements submitted in my office, I have found that they have satisfactorily completed the requirements for completion and graduation. I therefore certify that these candidates for completion and graduation have fully satisfied the requirements prescribed by the Department of Education under the junior high school and senior high school curriculum. Sir, they are now ready for your confirmation.
Thank you, ma'am. By the virtue of the authority vested in me as the duly authorized representative of Attorney Alberto T. Escobarte, Session 2, Regional Director of the Department of Education, Soc-Surgeon Region, and having been presented and duly certified by the principal that you have satisfactorily completed the requirements of the junior high school curriculum and senior high school curriculum as prescribed for secondary schools of the Department of Education. I now confirm you, junior high school completers and senior high school graduates of San Emmanuel National High School for school year 2025-2026. You are now eligible to receive your diploma. Congratulations.
You may now take your seat. Congratulations, graduates and completers. And now, we arrive at the most awaited and defining moment of this meaningful celebration. A moment that every graduate and completer has been dreaming of, working hard for, and holding on through every challenges.
Today, we witness not just the awarding of diplomas and certificates, but the unfolding of dreams, the reward of perseverance, and the beginning of new journeys. Each name that will be called carries a story of courage, sacrifice, and determination.
As your names are called, may you walk with pride, knowing that this recognition is not only for what you have achieved, but for who you have become.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is with great honor and pride that we present to you the graduates and completers of this academic year. Let us now begin the distribution of diplomas and certificates.
These are the list of completers from Grade 10 Special Program in Journalism. Ausin Ken Kaiser, D. Avenido John Eric, B. Bayog Vincent, R. Bernabe Nico, G. Casinio Jason George M. Fabia Dumel A. Hironio Cerilo Jr. E. Hassan Rico A. Mangob Justin C. Morales Clyde Denver S. Pudol John Ivo D. Publico Ralph Lawrence G. Rabor Ivan L. Sir Mese JC Jason T. Soriano Mark Jirian P. Valdivieso Kent Roy P. Valdez Christian F. Amugis Princess Angel C. Antonio Darilyn May P. Aranyo Grizel Jean A. Baybayan Althea Joy G. Kalika Mary Grace A. Kamot Babylin Y. Carcueva Princess July M. Cobrador Princess Marise L. Dayaday Grizel Joy E. Diherio Viel Hondrada B. Dimesa Honey B. Iscanio Princess Joy M. Gandia Jillian Chantel E. Garcia Aika A. Gonzalez Crisha Faye B. Imam Siti Razomnia U. Kim Hoko Angel Rose P. Leos Blessed Faith L. Martin Rona Christine P. Ubordo Laika B. Padasay Sian Denise N. Parejas Princess B. Pedral Cassandra Nicole G. Plantig Zanlin B. Prado Angel Alfea C. Supreme Jinky A. Ormatan Raisha C. Uto Zyriel U.
These are the list of completers from grade 10 Aguinaldo. Absede Shaldre C. Ahmad Ryan T. Asong Sean Cody D. Valientes Toby Wayne A. Barroso Ryan S. Bulusan Mark Carlos C. Cervantes Razaljan E. De Asis Leonard S. Esteves Risenbryle C. Estilo Carl Lawrence B. Gakayan John Alessandro S. Garcia Irvin Jean S. Gonzalez Jethro Nathaniel P. Gonzalez Justin Mark F. Gonzalez Rainiel Adrian P. Gorgonio Reynald James T. Ginaid Ansardin A. Hakyas JML. Hakyas Rusty L. Libre Jimpol C. Lumor Joe March. Mateo Kent Brian M. Piang Datulaki M. Pimentel Wellborn L. Prado Danilo III S. Robleza Daniel James G. Sato Clark John G. Venus Raver Clint B. Amor John Rose May J. Antonio Chantel Erich B. Aplaska Nezrin. Kabaya IVF. Cabrito Crisil A. Cachero Kelly Princess V. Katbagan April Joy B. De la Cruz Gwendal N. Deriada Georgie Alora A. Dimananal Alaishamin G. Domingo Iselmay C. Dumantay Ashley Chloe Pearl T. Duyan Silene P. Esperacion Mercy E. Galvez Princess Joy P. Huesca April Joy D. Lubinco Jacqueline Y. Nana Lovely Faith S. Otaza Precious Love B. Palabrica Donalyn. Palmares Laika Glaze C. Prado Mika May P. Sapinoro Rica Elaine P. Sorianosos Ana Nicole B.
These are the list of completers from grade 10 Laurel. Antonio Harold James A. Bangkaya Clyde I. Barcelona Mario Jr. F. Barroso Rex John C. Budi Reynante B. Castro Louis J. M. Dancil Jorens Kyle V. Dasmariñas RJ.O. Diwadio Gabriel P. Gonzales Jericho B. Herdelis Art Jevon B. Kaminsali Michael P. Lamata EJ P. Liaban Cesar Ayan L. Ligario Carl Jan C. Makalay Jomar M. Nunok Sherjan B. Okumen LJ D. Pagabangan Yasin P. Plantig Edwin Jr. B. Rayla John Carl G. Urbano Brian James B. Abiles Mea B. Avila Janet Gale C. Biliones Kristen Joy P. Boris Zingishen L. Dansil Nicole S. Dansil Princess Angeline M. Dedicatoria Jewel Z. Dimapalaw Haifa D. Embel Mary Jane O. Garde Shaneha Shariza Me P. Gueco JMA F. Jorge Eliza C. Jose Chris Marie L. La Sala Danica E. Magno Janica V. Mangisel Angeline L. Paklibar Cariza Chen C. Palumado Andrea Marie O. Pedral Nariel N. Peñafiel Angelica G. Peña, Florida, Princess Nicole D. Puntalba Rose MJ V. Simbahon Erich A. Zamuco Gwen M.
These are the list of completers from grade 10 Magsaysay. Bungbunga Adrian I. Canto Chard Linton L. Dimagil Aljuhaidin G. Gakayan Marlo Jr. L. Galagate Ryan S. Hassan Adam A. Kalido Aljamir P. Lintang Haron Jr. B. Lucenio Justin Nico P. Magsipok Jeric D. Palomo Ricky Jr. B. Ramos Brian Jade D. Rizada Kent Lawrence P. Sobido Mark Angelo D. Sumawang Maddie B. Tigaw Norjihad K. Verona Aaron P. Ayuban Kathleen Claire N. Bekang Mona Lisa G. Belmonte Crystal Jean P. Dalandas Noriza L. Usman Siti Hajara D.
These are the list of graduates from Academic Track, Humanities, and Social Sciences. Abdul Hamiruddin P. Abubo Angelo A. Amugis Jade Carl C. Aquino Jethro Rafael D. Comike Nathaniel James L. Gakayan Maiko Stefano M. Nanat Zypher Jade B. Naval Gio T. Paladin Allison Sage Hector C. Romero Prince J. M. Saiden Hamudi T. Tolino Ben Shaihar U. Uto Rael U. Agapay Angela D. Agustin Eliza Jane V. Arigen Chloe Andrea D. Aso Kyla Grace B. De La Rosa Ariel L. Di Mananal Jolhiramin G. Elegio Ana Marie J. Guyos Geraldine S. Hifarva Earl Wayne L. Ibad Hafsaira T. Madsandalan Adsmaika A. Nochete Jeans Joy M. Ofelas Jenaline Grace M. Pasete Karinjen R. Polistico Rika Key Samantha B. Pudol Jackie L. Salado Kathleen Kate T. Salon Trixie M. Valdez Giselle May S. Viniegas Rufa May B. Villanueva Veronica C. Vinluan Armela Shane H. Zamora Shermaine A.
These are the list of graduates from TVL Track Home Economics Tailoring. Javier Jason S. Suway Lord Jeffrey B. Domalina Leah T. Fabia Casey B. Fernandez Charlene S. Gakayan Angeline L. Gueco Shilame F. Herdelis Arthea Shanley B. Harris Princess May M. Mamadla Ifa Jane M. Pamposa Demi Pearl A. Parejas Precious Lara B. Pedral Charisme A. Vadil Leame M. Valdez Mary Luz P. Vinluan Marjorie Faye M.
These are the list of graduates from TVL Truck Industrial Arts Automotive Servicing. Adas Muhammad Farcon M. Alban Charlie Jr. B. Apigo Carl Jade U. Apolinar Gary James Q. Aradanas Renan J. A. Arancilio Kian Carl N. Aviles Ferdinand D. Ayub Norzaidin S. Bakirin Chris Louis M. Barroso Ulysses C. Camilon Rainiel P. Corpus Narciso Jr. E. Corsega Fernando Jr. M. De los Reyes Prince Kyle T.